Hi guys, Wayne Edlam here from Naked Edge Real Estate. Proud to introduce to you today this wonderful property at 9 Toledo Close in Cannington. Now they say location's everything. This one really hits the mark. It's just a short walk to Cannington Leisureplex, Queen's Park Railway Station and the local shops. Should we go and have a look inside? Thanks for looking guys. Now just one more thing to consider, there is development options here. So for more information or to book a viewing, please give me a call.